Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mita Bache, and I am accredited teller of the DMCA Home. So today, tara samahan nyo at ituturo ko sa aming 3-bedroom unit dito kay Allegra Garden Place. Okay po. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel. So today naman, tara samahan nyo ko at ituturo ko kayo sa aming 3-bedroom project update sa Allegra Garden Place. Best Investments by Mita Bache, and I am an accredited seller of the DMCA Home. Hello, kamusta po kayo? So I hope napanood ninyo yung first video for this month of June, yung updates natin. So for this video naman, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is yung one of our 3-bedroom units dito kay Allegra, because sometimes kasi may mga nagre-reopen na nyo. Actually, currently may available na unit, isa naka-hold. And then paminsan may mga nagre-reopen na unit. So ito para din sa mga hindi pa po nakakita yung mga clients natin based abroad. So ipakita ko sa inyo, i-update ko kayo doon sa mga 3-bedroom units natin. Actually units natin dito kay Allegra Garden. So right now I'm on Soraya Building. So pakita ko sa inyo. So our 3-bedroom units is 83 square meters, okay, na corner unit. Okay, so this unit is on the higher floor. Okay, so upon entering the unit, so makikita ninyo nandito sa left side ko yung ating kitchen area. Okay, so makikita ninyo, this is how we deliver our units. So kasama yung ating kitchen cabinets, okay, yung mga drawers natin. Ito kagandahan dito sa unit na to is may mga built-in na siya, drawers na po siya. Okay, so hindi niyo na kailangan magpagawa. So and then maganda rin yung kulay, and then granite countertop. And then also dito din, so this will be your sink then. Okay? And then yung gas range mo or electric stove mo, pwede mo dito lagay, range hood provision. Dito yung ating fridge, yung refrigerator natin. Okay? So now we go to our dining area. So this is where you can put your dining area. Yung dining area natin, pwede mo dito ilagay, and as well as the living area. Okay? So ang kagandahan dito sa 3-bedroom na to, bukod dun sa malaking unit, you have an own balcony, access sa balcony dito sa living area. So kagandahan nito, yung view nitong unit na to is towards our BGC Makati. So right now, maulan. Okay, maulan dito. Nakikita niyo noon, maulan dun sa area na yon. Okay. So ang view niya, kagandahan nito is Ortiga, BGC Makati, and then dito sa side na to is Ortigas. So yun yung kagandahan nitong unit na to, because meron ka sariling balcony sa living area. Okay, so we have 2 toilet and baths here. This is the first toilet and bath. So dito, fittings and fixtures kasama lahat yan. So this will be the common toilet and bath. And then also dito, meron ka ditong for the story, dito yung pwede mong gawing as pantry, pwede mong gawing as actually ang main purpose ito is for the washing machine. Pero my other clients use it as their pantry or extra storage. Okay? So, let's go to the 3rd bedroom first. So, ito yung 3rd bedroom. So, the size of this one is around 10 square meters. So, meron kang window, big window dito na awning window siya. So, this could be the 3rd bedroom as office space or a baby room, di ba? It's up to you on your preference. And then, this is the 2nd bedroom. So, quite bigger than the first. Okay, so kagandahan nito, this could fit a double bed. Yan. So dito, ang kagandahan din dito sa atin, sa ating 3-bed, sa mga units natin kay Allegra, is malaki yung ating window. Malaki yung window natin dito. Actually, kasya ako dyan eh. Diba? So now we go to the first bed. This is our master bedroom. So this is the biggest bedroom of the unit. Okay. So ang kagandahan nito, you have your own toilet and bath. So dito sa toilet and bath na to, so fittings and fixtures are all included na rin dito. Enclosures na lang ang kulang. And then maganda na rin yung lababo natin dito. And then konting interior na lang, okay na siya. And then we also have your own balcony. Yan. So makikita ninyo Laguna de Bay. Makikita po ninyo dito, ano na siya, maulan. Foggy na siya eh. So right now, at around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, yan, so medyo ano na siya, malakas yung ulan natin dito sa atin ngayon sa Manila. Okay, ayun, so for those who interested po dito po sa project na to, or meron pa kayong preferred na unit, so nandiyan yung numbers ko, naka-flash screen, you may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng order and presentation for ISO. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. Pwede ko kayo dalhin dito sa napakagatong project na sa Allegra Garden Place. Okay? So again, thank you very much for watching po. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video ko YouTube, ma-notify kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.